Here we have the 21th question of evaluating limit. Limit x tends to 0 cosec x minus cot x. Alright, so again we don't have the direct formula for cosec and cot, and this time if you are going to insert directly x tends to 0, then you're going to get cosec 0, which is an undefined value. Generally we write like infinity, so you're directly getting an undefined value. Initially you used to get divided by 0, that is some undetermined value. Sometimes even we write like infinity to denote it. But this time directly you are going to get infinity, minus I don't care whatever it is, because once you get some undetermined value, whether you plus or you minus or you multiply with anything or you divide with anything, whatever you do, any operation, whatever you're going to do with these things, that makes us trouble. That again gives you some undetermined value, some undefined value. All right, so we have to walk again. So what we can do then? Okay, no problem. Normal trick that we used to use in trigonometry, we will convert this cosec x and cot x into sine and cosine. All right, so it's going to be x tends to 0 cosec x, that's 1 over sine x, 1 over sine x, minus now cot x is cos x divided by sine x. Now again limit x tends to 0, so we can take it's same thing, so we can easily take the LCM sine x, and it will be now 1 minus cos x. Now again check whether we are going to get any indeterminate value or not. X tends to 0, 1 minus cos 0, that is 1. Numerator is getting 0 and denominator sine 0, oh my god, that's 0. So again we have in the 0 by 0 form, so we are not suitable to insert the value of this limit. We are not suitable now to plug the value of x. So again we can work very easy. Whenever you get this type of the question, sine and cosine, then the maximum time we have to use the half angle formula. Use the half angle formula of sine x and same half angle formula for the cosine x, all right, that we had learned in trigonometry. So you're watching, what you're seeing here, that to be master in calculus, you should be first master in trigonometry. You have to master that trigonometry, and then you can solve very easily trigonometry. All right, so okay, no problem. X tends to 0, 1, and let me tell you, cosine of x has so many formula. Similarly, sine 2x has also two formulas, mostly that we use, but we can create a lot of formula, and that is 2 sine x cos x. All right, this formula we had learned. So if you have here sine x, then it will be 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. If the formula for sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x, then formula for the sine x will be 2 sine x by 2 x by 2, because it's 2x, then it's half just xx, so if it is x, this will be x by 2 x by 2. Similarly for the cos x, the most best usable formula will be here 1 minus denominator is having sine, so we can go for the sine, 2 sine square x by 2. By the way, you can go by 2 cos square x minus 1 also, and even you can go for the cos square x minus sine square x, x by 2 x by 2. All right, all are suitable here, but I'm going to use this one. This is more better, I think, in my opinion. I'm not sure. Cos x is now 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2 divided by, now sine x will be 2 sine x by 2 cosine x by 2. All right, and further limit x tends to 0, and now I'm going to open the bracket, minus 1 and minus it will be plus 2 sine square x by 2, and in the denominator we have 2 sine x by 2 cosine x by 2. Okay, wonderful news. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, this 2 cancel, and we have square of sine, so 1 will get cancelled with this, and we'll be left with sine x by 2 over cos x by 2. All right, it is just now sine x by 2, because the square got cancelled, sine x by 2 divided by cos x by 2, so we'll be getting here tan x by 2, and I will write here limit x tends to 0. Now you might be asking me, hey brother, we don't have the standard formula right now. We're not getting exactly the standard formula, because we have a standard formula for the tangent also. Limit theta tends to 0, tan theta divided by theta equals to 1. Well, not every time we need to go for the standard formula. Sometimes if you simply plug the value of x, what you're going to get, you're going to get tan times 0, that's tan 0, that's 0. So no problem at all. you should not get some undefined value, undeterminate value, you know. But if you're getting 0, that's okay. So here we are going to simply plug the value of x, approaches to 0, so it's going to be tan 0 by 2, that's tan 0. All right, and the answer is 0. Bye bye.